मेट्रो के जूते बहुत कंफर्टेबल हैं, उनको पहनते हुए मुझे बहुत गर्व होता है। वैसे गर्मी के मौसम में मैं चप्पल पहनना पसंद करता हूँ, लेकिन कभी कभी जब सूट पहनता हूँ तो ऐसे काले जूते अच्छे लगते हैं। आई एम ओपन, आई एम completely open in the future, and I'm completely shut right now. Agent Vinod is only if you had cast Rajinikanth ji as Agent Vinod, then there would be that kind of expectation. But the films have nothing in common. Have I ever tripped upon my sister's shoe? 26? No. I'm just joking. I don't know, about 9 or something.
I wouldn't mind if Metro gave me a pair of the gold shoes. They haven't yet given it. They took it back after the still shoot, so send it home.
Black is my favorite shoe color, and brown sometimes.
Firstly, I'd like to apologize for the delay and for the fact that you all had to wait. There was extreme amount of traffic on the streets. There was some sort of Visarjan today, which, I mean, Saif and me were getting really restless in the car, but we had no choice. So I think really, really sorry, firstly, for that. Secondly, of course, really excited to be associated with yet another brand. What makes it so special is the fact that Metro chose me and Saif together. And I'd really like to thank you, especially for your wonderful words. And trust me, I don't know if anyone would want to be in our shoes, but still, we definitely want to be in Metro.
Yes, thank you very much. And obviously, I was joking earlier. Sorry to keep you all waiting. I'm also very proud to associate with this brand. I had no idea that Metro actually was connected to films in the way that it is. And I'm very, very proud, both of us are proud to be here in that respect. Thank you.
What are your criteria for endorsing any brand?
A certain amount of financial compensation is always a good thing. And the quality of the product. And I think it should be a mutual kind of compliment. I mean, if someone, they do a lot of research before they choose you for being a brand ambassador. And if they've done that, and if they've come to you and asked you to do that, it's a compliment usually. And I think when it's mutually complimentary, it's pretty obvious when ask you to represent them. It's a fairly simple choice.
You know, you have been wearing different types of brands. How does Metro stand apart from others?
I think just the fact that it's one of the biggest shoe brands in India. I think that's why obviously both Saif and me chose to be associated with it. And we obviously don't endorse any other shoe brand, and this being the best, I think we chose and made the right decision.
No, at the moment, I think we just did a still shoot. Any plans for a film? Apparently, there are plans for a film as well.
जैसा कि कैरेडा ने कहा कि जैसे ही मेट्रो ने उन्हें अप्रोच किया एज ए एम्बेसडर बनाने के लिए, ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बनाने के लिए, उन्होंने हाँ कर दी क्योंकि आप उसका हिस्सा हैं एज ए कपल. आपका पहला रिएक्शन क्या था? क्या करीना को ही चाहते थे एज ए कपल या किसी और को?
I said they should get someone who's pretty and young and yeah. No, I was very obviously very happy and excited.
What's your view on this, on his comment?
My view is that I'm just, what did you say, Saif? Yeah.
Very happy and excited.
Yeah, we're both very happy and excited.
See, we want to be brand ambassadors for many things, but they also should want us to be brand ambassadors. is an important part of that equation. We're happy to work together, but it should be, I think, in the right dose. And, the audience shouldn't get fed up, which is quite easy to do with celebrity couples.
While working for the big screen and while working for the ad, what difference you feel?
This was a photo session rather than a film shoot. Otherwise, in that sense, completely different. This is a photograph, so I think that it's a different way of expressing for the camera. A movie is a much longer and and an ad film shoot is a much shorter time to communicate an idea. I suppose that's the main difference. And of course, a photograph is with a still camera, and movies are made with a moving image camera. But that's a more complicated process. Agent Vinod is only if you had cast Rajinikanth ji as Agent Vinod, then there would be that kind of expectation. But the films have nothing in common. Technically, no. I think Agent Vinod's got everything's real in terms of action. Somebody's done it. There's not very much CG. If somebody's broken the window and gone flying, it's either me or somebody else pretending to be me. I'm open. I'm completely open in the future. And I'm completely shut right now. See, right now we're under contract with Metro, so we should talk about only Metro. Very much in the future, if something else happens, then we can discuss that then.
I actually don't remember, but it's not the cost that really matters. I think what is really comfortable and basically what looks good is the most important criteria.
Lots of people want to go into your shoes, but then कभी आपने ऐसा सोचा है, maybe any point of time, कि I want to be in that particular person's shoes?
Yes. Would you like to answer this?
No, मैंने तो पहले ही कहा कि I want to be in Metro shoes. I don't want to be in anybody else's shoes.
Started with that, so did our host. No, not really. Very fleetingly, but not for very long. I'm quite happy in my own shoes.
Well, of course, I wouldn't mind if Metro gave me a pair of the gold shoes. They haven't yet given it. They took it back after the still shoot, so send it home.
Haji? Yeah, I know, it's been a while. We have not appeared. I think that's why they're having a press conference with us together. It's a unique thing today, but I wear her shoes. I would oblige her and wear her shoes. I would insist on at least gold or pink, I think, would be my favorite color. No, sorry, I'm just joking. What is your question? हाँ जी भाई, जी, मेट्रो के जूते बहुत कंफर्टेबल हैं. उनको पहनते हुए मुझे बहुत गर्व होता है. वैसे गर्मी के मौसम में मैं चप्पल पहनना पसंद करता हूँ. लेकिन कभी-कभी जब सूट पहनता हूँ तो ऐसे काले जूते अच्छे लगते हैं. Have I ever tripped upon my sister's shoe? 26? No. I'm just joking. I don't know, about 9 or something.
How did it feel when you wore your mother's shoes?
Tall and quite sexy. But mainly tall.
And would you ever wear a Snickers in a party? Something crazy like that?
Yes, of course. It's not that crazy. It's quite relaxed and fashionable.
Do you have any particular choice for colors according to what you wear?
Of course, I don't know, I would love to wear I love the gold shoe that I'm wearing in the photograph. And gold and red are actually my favorite colors. So.
Black is my favorite shoe color. And brown sometimes. I've given her more shoes than she's given me. I think. Yeah. Apparently it's not very good to give each other shoes. Long association, hopefully. I don't know. Metro.
What was the USP of your brand, Metro Shoes?
Well, I think the most obvious thing is that it's the most successful shoe brand, Indian shoe brand in the country. And therefore the biggest. And therefore the most successful. And therefore the most complimentary for us to associate ourselves with.